Welcome back to my channel and just a short unboxing of the Troublesome trucks. And boy, do these little guys live up to their name. I ordered some a couple of weeks ago and they didn't arrive, so I had to find out what was going on there. I give the company the benefit of the doubt. I give them a little bit more time, they didn't turn up again. So I ordered a set from somewhere else and they didn't turn up. So yeah, a bit of a pain. The code is R9294. So I was putting an order in with Hatton's and I decided, well, I'll get a set from there. So I bought a set from there in my cart and 2 days later they arrived, no problem at all. So we finally got them, they finally arrived and they're in the collection, but I just wanted to open them up. This is actually the first time of me opening them up. I hadn't opened them up until now. I've been busy with work and other stuff. But yeah, they're lovely little models. They're a bit lighter than I think I'd want them to be, but I'm noticing that with the whole range, or latest incarnations of this range, is they're all a little bit more sort of light and maybe kid friendly. As always, nice plastic sleeve, pull that off, you've got a box with a plastic box, we just undo the corner clip and they're held in place nicely. There's a nice plastic mold, they don't move anywhere, they're not going to get damaged. So this is the first one in the packet. Lovely molded face, metal wheels. Very nice. And here's number 2. He's got his eyes shut, so he knows exactly what's about to happen. Hopefully won't do too much damage, whatever he's got planned for my model railway. But again, lovely little model. So put them on the tracks. Their first time out the box, their first time on the tracks. And just to show you what they're like. Now I paid £18.50 for these. I'm sure people are going to say you can get them cheaper elsewhere, but Hatton's brilliant company, and I was fed up with being messed about, which I think is the way things are going to go with the Thomas range. I think a lot of places are saying that they have stock or they've got them there when really they don't, and they're hoping their stock's going to come in, or maybe if they wait long enough or you wait long enough and they've got your money, that they'll eventually get something. But that's not the way to do business. So once again, got to say Hatton's to the rescue, brilliant company, and I'm more than happy. I might get another set just so we got 4. I think 4 will be much better, then we can use them with different logos and they won't look so silly on the back of someone like, say, Edward. But yeah, brilliant little models, very happy. I'm not going to go on and on and on and make a really long video. This is just for anybody who wants to see what they're like. So thank you very much for supporting my channel, and we'll see you in the next video.